Now, your KRCG 13 Storm Vision Forecast.
Well, rain started to move into the area a couple hours ago. We have had a couple of light showers across the area, but most of it is still off to our west. Kansas City, their area has reported some small penny-sized hail. You can see some of our rain reports so far. Just under 2/10 at Boonville, just under a tenth at Columbia, right at a tenth in Jefferson City, and about 2/10 at the lake. Further to our west, Kansas City had about half an inch so far at this hour, and that rain will continue to move into our area over the overnight hours and last through tomorrow morning. Here's a look at our highs today. We did get a little bit warmer because the sun stayed out a little bit longer than we expected, and the clouds didn't move in until later this evening. We got up to 77 in Columbia, 78 in Jefferson City, 77 as well at the lake, 79 in St. Louis, so they were almost at that 80-degree mark. A lot of us across the Midwest were experiencing this nice weather. We did get up to 85 degrees in Amarillo, so some nice warm weather pumping into the area, and I think it's going to stay for the next couple of days, even though we do have rain chances in the forecast. You can see our temperatures are still pretty mild across the area, fueling some of those rain showers. We are 63 still in Fulton with the cloud cover, 62 in Vandalia, 60 in Brunswick, and a little bit cooler to our south near Dixon and Max Creek, where some of those heavier thunderstorms moved through over the last hour. Our dew points have bumped up a little bit over the course of the day. We are in the 50s now, pretty close to those low 60 marks that we are out right now. We do need that moisture to fuel our thunderstorms over the next couple of days. You can see our winds are also coming from the south, gusting up to 20 miles per hour in Jefferson City, 10 in Columbia, up to 13 down in Springfield, and 14 in St. Louis. That is pumping in that warmer air and moisture from the Gulf, fueling our weather for the next couple of days. 61 degrees in Columbia right now. We do have the clouds, but so far not a lot of rainfall there yet. Jefferson City, we have some light rain showers, still 61 degrees, winds gusting up to almost 40 miles per hour, so kind of a strong burst of rain coming through there right now. 61 at the lake under mostly cloudy skies with winds out of the south at 12 miles per hour. Here's our almanac for today. Our high officially 77 degrees, so a lot warmer than the average of 64. Our low this morning, 49 degrees. The average is 42. We saw our sunrise a little bit earlier this morning at 6:44. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast. You can see the rainfall coming from that frontal boundary. We do have another one that is going to move through tomorrow night into Tuesday and Wednesday, giving us a good chance for more severe weather on Tuesday night into Wednesday, or over the early morning hours on Wednesday. You can see by tomorrow morning, most of the rainfall will be moving out and our temperatures will drop to right around 50 degrees for our lows. We will have cloudy skies through most of the area. Temperatures will be a little bit warmer than this. We'll be in the low 70s for most of us. And as the day goes on, we will see rain chances increase again as we head towards tomorrow night. And another system will come through on Tuesday evening, giving us more rain showers, more cloudy weather, and gustier winds, and possibly some more severe weather. Here's a look at some of those threats for later on this week. I think winds and hail are going to be the two biggest ones, possibly some flooding with some heavy rains. We could see maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain, maybe locally more heavy rain with some of the heavier storms, and a low threat of some isolated tornadoes with some of this severe weather. Here's a look at our Columbia 7-day forecast. 70 degrees for tomorrow, rain chances throughout Wednesday, but I think some of those will be severe Tuesday night going into Wednesday. And then by the middle part of the week, we are going to cool down quite a bit. Temperatures are going to drop off into the 50s until Saturday and Sunday. We finally get back up to more seasonable weather. Jefferson City for tomorrow, 71 degrees, rain and thunderstorms through Wednesday. Again, that severe chance Tuesday night into overnight hours on Wednesday morning. Temperatures drop off to around 60 on Wednesday, and as that front slides through, look at the temperatures, a lot cooler than we have been over the last couple of days. We'll be in the 50s. And then finally for the weekend, nicer conditions. Clouds start to move back in a little bit, but our temperatures will bump back up to near 70 degrees again by next Sunday. At the lake, 72 degrees tomorrow. Rain chances for the morning, then should probably be mostly cloudy throughout the day, and then they move in again Monday night and then last through Wednesday. But look at this, cooler weather for the end of the week, and finally temperatures will move back into the low 70s for Sunday. Remember, we do have spotter training. We definitely need these spotters as the severe weather moves into our area over the next month or two. We have Morgan County tomorrow at the Justice Center in Versailles, and I will be there tomorrow if you want to ask me any weather questions. And Tuesday night we will be in Boone County at the Missouri Employers Mutual Foundation. So definitely we need those spotters, especially now.
So when do you think we might see some severe weather moving into our area? You know, I think you said that the lake might have more of a risk, but when do you think we'll see that?
I think most of it is going to start Tuesday night and then last through the overnight hours on Tuesday night up until sunrise probably on Wednesday.
All right, and of course you and the two Zacks will keep us updated
Yes,
on the
of course.
situation as it unfolds.